Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anja. You are watching Hey Anja Girl, and honey, I just need to know, is everybody happy? Fantastic. So I was sitting at home thinking about what spa I wanted to go to when the world opens back up, and I thought, hey, why don't I make a video about the types of spas that are out there so that my darlings can enjoy too. Now, if you've watched any of my videos on my channel, you know that I'm extremely enthusiastic about wellness and my love for spas. So I want everyone to feel as wondrously delicious as they possibly can. I love sharing this type of information, and I consider it a privilege and an honor. So let's go ahead and start with day spas. Day spas offer an assortment of massages, saunas, facials, mani and pedi treatments. And the fun thing with day spas are that you can combine services. You can either get a single service or you can make a day out of it to indulge yourself for hours and hours, since, day spas usually are local and they don't offer accommodations, so you can vary which services you want. And next up are destination spas. Now, this is exactly what it sounds like. Destination spas highlight wellness and health away from the home. And location is the most important thing. It's the name of the game here. So they're located all over the world, with some of the most sought after destinations being close to an ocean or a sea, because that's what people love to look at. They're very popular when planning events such as weddings, anniversaries, celebrations, and all of those types of things. And since destination spas rely on tourists so much, you can find all types of fantastic cuisines that they offer. So that's destination spas. Next up are hotel and resort spas, and these are pretty fun. Hotel spas appeal to a lot of business travelers who obviously travel often, or people who want to experience luxury in a big city. Now, resorts keep their eyes on groups who enjoy a variety of activities, because resort spas actually market to families who want to celebrate reunions, sporting tournaments, all types of sporting events, as well as special occasions. So those are hotel and resort spas. Next up, we have medical spas or medi spas, and here is where clients are able to receive and recover from procedures and treatments, whether they're cosmetic or not. Honestly, if you plan to get a little nip and tuck post-quarantine, think about recovering at a medical spa. You're at home all this time, you might as well treat yourself to something new and something luxurious, and not be at home while you recover. Almost in the same vein as a medi spa, you have a rehab spa. And here they offer rehabilitation and detox services for those people who need them. I want to point out that rehab spas are fully equipped with all the state-of-the-art devices, well-trained medical and social staff who assist people with all kinds of treatments, okay? Addiction, mental health issues, depression, you name it. They really make rehab spas well-rounded for the client. And I also want to just implore anybody who feels like they really need help to go and seek the help. Next up are health and wellness spas, and this is where the focus is on nutrition, fitness, weight loss, and relaxation, so that you can get all those quarantine pounds off, and for those who don't want to get a little nip tuck at the doctor's office. Cruise ship spas and airport spas, both of these offer the basic treatments, although cruise ship spas have the space and time to give their clients a little bit more creativity with their services than airport spas do. But as far as airport spas, we know that traveling can be stressful, so getting a 20-minute neck or foot massage can be a real lifesaver when you need it. Next spa choice are mineral spring spas. Now, these spas focus on hydrotherapy. I went over this extensively in my last video, and if you want to know more about it, check out my video, History of the Western Spa, to find out more about mineral spring spas. And the next spa type is my favorite type of spa. The Pamper Spa. Okay, so think of your regular spa with all of the bells and whistles, but add a lot of luxury, a lot of decadence. The decor is extravagant. The meals are delectable. These spas specialize in making sure that you feel like the royalty that you are, honey. I love Pamper Spas. And lastly, a new type of spa that I think we're going to see so much more of are the mobile spas. This one will allow clients to receive services while they're at home. So the practitioner will come to you and they will spoil you and indulge you right outside of your home. That way you won't have to go too far for anything, and you still can get all of the benefits just right outside of your home. I hope you enjoyed this video on the types of spas. Let me know in the comments which one you guys plan on going to once you are able to. I would love to know. Please remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ring that notification bell and have a wonderfully blessed day.